Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing the levels. Testing the levels. Levels are good. Levels are good. Levels are good. Oh, it's power hour, baby. You feel me? Power hour. Damn. Dumping going right in the power hour. Right at the top of the hour. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this second. Hold on. Unlock because I've been messing with shit. Fix this webcam. Get that chroma key on point. Been a while since I brought out the full production, dog, with the chroma key and everything. You feel me? Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing the levels. Testing the levels. Levels are good. 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 Look good to me. Okay. So obviously, I mean, just glancing at my freaking long term, I know the market. I mean, bro, looks like everything is up, dude. Like even dividend plays, across the board. Like, but as far as my portfolio, everything's up. Like, every single account. Let's see, I got 1 2 3 4 fucking accounts on this brokerage. Then I got a couple more. I think I got Weeble and Moo, and I'm assuming those are up too. But like usually you'll either see like you know what I mean, like the market up, but like dividend plays down. You know what I'm saying? Like you can kind of sometimes see like uh the rotation. You feel me? But like, dude, from the looks of it, um, as far as what I have in my shit, okay, no, okay, no, one of my dividend plays are down, but it's just, you know what I'm saying, everything in that particular portfolio is up. It looks like it's up. Okay, all right. I got two. I got Disney in here that's down. It feels like I need to average down on that while we're down at these levels. And Altria Group, those are red on the day. Uh, yeah, everything else is up. Yeah, AMD, Q's, the Spy. Oh no, wait, Tesla's down on the day, but I mean, I'm up. Well, I was up 50% on Tesla. Now I'm up 40%. I'm even up on Verizon. I added Verizon to the long term, bro, for dividends. I used to work for Verizon. Actually, I didn't work for them. I was an authorized agent for Verizon. Like I had my own call center and shit. Like doing business to business though, like not residential. Like I wasn't one of those fucking annoying ass telemarketers that call your home and shit. Like I was doing business to business. I gotta say, like especially when I had my own call center, bro. Um, that was some of the best money I ever made in my life. It's I mean, God, you know what I'm saying? Look, the campaign ended, and just wasn't smart. Just wasn't smart with my money. You feel me? Probably didn't have the best support. You know what I mean? Structure around me at the time. All right, man. We jumping in the trenches. 1 minute. 1 minute. So, but first, let's see. Let's check out the spy and see what happened today. I mean, dude, we just fading going into the open and then just ripping to the upside. Like, yeah, bro. Shit, on days like this, I feel like there's definitely not a rush to jump in the markets because I'm already long, my guy. But look, we were on an uptrend on the 5 minute. We recently cracked it. So high a day, 456.75. That should be a new 52-week high, right? Clearly correct the uptrend. Let me just try to get some real levels here. I'm gonna say resistance is 456.67, give or take, on the spot. You see kind of like a double top and then the fade start. I mean, that would have been the optimal time, you know what I mean, to jump in and fade. You feel me? Again, you want to short or fade or grab puts at resistance, and obviously you buy the dip or go long at support. I mean, I could see how it was looking a little erratic earlier, but I mean, this is a clear uptrend, bro. So like I was watching like other people's streams earlier just to make sure that I'm abreast of everything that's going on in the markets. I heard them saying like, "Oh, don't chase it, don't chase it," and yeah, obviously you don't want to chase, but I mean, when we're in a clear uptrend like this, I mean, the trend is your friend. So yeah, don't chase. But as soon as we pull back, like see, like for instance, right here off the open, as soon as we pull back and put in a higher low, that's when you can get in, and that's not chasing. You feel me? So definitely lots of spots to enter. Um, you feel me? Like if you wanted to buy the dip, if you felt bullish today, so that's what I mean, bro. Like you got to be careful. Uh, Listening to people and their biases, dude. They will lead you astray. Your own bias will lead you astray. Again, that's why I stress that I don't have a bias. Feel me? The Russell, look, everything was grinding up. All right, shit, we're bullish as hell. I mean, everything's still front side. Got up to 196.20s. We're coming down with some velocity here, though. I must say. But, like, see, like, how we're coming down now. Like, I feel like that would be a chase to try to jump in and fade it now. Because, like, look how much of the move's gone already, bro. You feel me? Like, up here is where you want to enter at. The only problem with that is, like, you must verify, bro, that we're clearly topping out and at the top of the range. You feel me? Because like, I mean, who wants to try to fade something when we're on the high day, bro? Like, damn near on a 52-week high. Very critical that you verify that we're topping out before you do try to fade. And also, like, whatever you're trading, like, yeah, I mean, obviously, if you're trading intraday, you're gonna wanna. Looks like I'm looking the wrong way. Should I flip my camera? All right, whatever. Obviously, you want to. I forgot what I was saying. Oh yeah, you're gonna watch it on a you know what I mean, a lower time frame for the best entries and exits. You feel me? Like the 1 minute. You know what I mean? But you also want to be watching it on another chart. You feel me? On a higher time frame, so you don't get shook out. Feel me? The higher time frame brings some clarity and logic to the project. You feel me? I'm trying to see. It looks like this thing's already breaking down support down here. Uh, I mean, there's support like going straight across here, but I would think it would be more here, and we've broken beneath that. Again, this is a 10-minute chart. Let me see something. Like right along V up. I mean, this is looking pretty crucial right here. On the Russell Index, 195.30s or so, trying to hold that support. You feel me? Look at that. So you know what I mean, and look, the market's bouncing. This thing's just straight up because it didn't gap up though. You feel me? We're actually didn't gap up, but you can clearly see it, like because I guess there's no pre-market or whatever on the S&P 500, or if there is, look. All right, so look, we're trading in this range right now. Look, 45.71 30s and 45.79 75 or so. Look, we came down here, bounced off this level. Let's see how much interaction we had with the level today. All right, so broke past it here, dumped past it here. You know what I mean? Broke past it there, looked like with no issues. Then we came here, bounced, and took off to the top of the range. All right, hit some resistance, broke above it for a second, then broke back down. Then faded, came back down to this level, bounced. Let's see what happens. It looks like we're coming back down to test it. And look up here, the Russell index has already broken that support. You feel me? We've already broken it. So, I mean, that could be a sign of things to come. Like if this thing isn't able to break back above that higher low, the support right here, this 195 37, then the market is going to continue to fade. But as you can see, look, this wick on the bottom here signifies that there's buyers and they're buying it up, and you could see it manifesting here on the S&P 500. I was watching Benzinga, like the morning prep show, and they had some dude on there, bro, like that they're interviewing. And he had like this chart that showed, like, you know what I'm saying, like the S&P, like the whole, like the S&P 500, like mega caps and all that, the indices, I guess large caps and mid caps and small caps, and like everything. What they're really expecting is small caps to lead the way. Is how I understood it, because like regular, we had the value and all that defensive stock run, and then it was tech. Um, you feel me? And now the small caps and like the Russell got involved, and that's what, you know what I'm saying, made the market uh more bullish. But I mean, it is kind of obvious, like which basket of stocks could run up the most. It's gonna have to be small caps because tech and all the other large caps have already ripped. Some of them like had freaking all-time highs or 52-week highs. So the only thing left, really, is I'm not penny stocks and piece of shite stocks, but just like real small caps and mid caps. Feel me? I better go back and watch that morning show because that dude had some good data. Look at Meta. Let's see what it did all day. Bullish off the open. Look, I'm telling you, bro. Like that's the easiest setup to trade, bro. You just let everything rip off the open, verify that we're topping out, and then fade it down as far as it's gonna fade, and then get out. You feel me? I see that setup more than anything, bro. The only drawback that I can see from that setup is you're trading directly off the open, which is something I don't like to do. You feel me? I don't really condone it. I mean, unless you're swinging overnight and you just, you know what I mean, getting out to take profits or, feel me, yeah, have to execute out of a trade for whatever reason. You know what I mean, look, Nvidia popped and just been going sideways, not giving anything back. Yeah, the market's bullish, bro. Bullish as hell from what I'm seeing. But like you would think, you know what I mean, from like like the when I was watching the markets and like watching other people's streams, like that we were like bearish or something. Again, bro, like just leave your bias out of it. Oh my god, I hope you cloud. I hope. Oh shit, what happened here? What's wrong with my third monitor? Oh, I didn't even know that was like that. My OBS is acting wonky. My transitions are messed up. Uh, there it goes. All right, my bad. Yeah. Wait, hold up. How come? How come I can't? How come I can't? How come my cursor's not on there? Oh man, that shit acting wonky as hell, bro. Capture cursor. Capture method. Automatic. What is force SDR? That's the wrong monitor. Yeah. There we go. There we go. My bad. All right, so Meta's coming down. Looks like we tried to bounce off of VWAP. Here, looks like they've been grabbing liquidity. Once again, we came down here. Look, that's that VWAP fake out setup where you come down here and like act like you're going to break down VWAP. You actually break below it, but we didn't consolidate below it. We just held it and then bounced up to the 120, reject it, and now we're coming down. Same thing for NVIDIA. S&P 500 coming down to test this intraday support here. Let's go back and see how strong it is. All right, we chopped around it here. Hold it as support here, then it was resistance. So it goes back. You know what I mean? We have a track record with that level. Always important. That's this level here. We'll watch it. If we come down here and test this, we could bounce or we could crack it. It actually looks like since we came down and tested it, we've been grinding up with some moderation. Look, pull back, higher low, consolidate, push up, pull back, higher low, push up. We were consolidating, then we broke down swiftly and then bounced back up. That's looking like a liquidity grab actually. On the liquidity grabs, what you'll see is a dump, and then when that new candle opens up, it wicks, like it wicks to the upside really quick, and then we start bouncing and going back to the upside. I mean, so that's clearly a liquidity grab or something. You feel me? Or I mean, that's what the liquidity grabs look like, though. Like the longer wick is going to be on the right. Like it dumps, and then this happens so fast that you don't even see it. You just see a wick, and then we just bounce. And that's kind of what happened right there. Let's go back to the main thing. We're in power hour. I feel like it's kind of too late to be taking trades. But look, it's looking like the S&P 500 is running into resistance right about here as we're trying to go back up. See where we consolidated at, came down, broke down, came back, and look, we're trying to break above this level right now. So if we can break above it, I mean, we should trend up. If we cannot, we're gonna start fading, especially if we crack the 120 and the 9 EMA. And look, you can already see the Russell starting to dump or show signs of weakness. I mean, so there's correlation, and as of now, it looks like the small cap ETF is actually leading because this thing started dumping first. So keep your eyes on this if you want to try to determine which way the market is going to go in the short term. Not in the long term, just the short term. And I mean, it's evident here as well. Look, weakness on Meta, weakness on NVIDIA, weakness on the SPY, weakness on the Qs. I mean, did the Qs finally decide that they wanted to participate? Yes. Oh my God. Oh, Matt, please tell me you just you, well, no, you still got. You said your expiration's on Friday, right? You still got time. But dude, like you know, holding and hoping is an invalid strategy, bro. You know what I mean? It's not out of the question though that we dump, especially because we got the FOMC meeting and everything coming. So, as a matter of fact, you still might be straight, bro. Actually, I hope you are, dude. Cause I could tell. Thought you were tired at first, but then I realized it might have just been stress related. because of because of that trade, whatever the one where you shorted the Nasdaq or something, and we've just been ripping. I don't know what to do in a position like that, but I mean the only thing you can do is wait for the number print and the FOMC and all that shit, and hopefully it's bearish, and then we dump from there. You know what I'm saying? So there's still a chance. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's a scary position to be in right now, especially uh, you know what I'm saying? How you said uh you, you take bigger positions than you're supposed to relative to your account size. I mean, uh, don't stress over it though, buddy, because I've seen you lose freaking $8,000 or $10,000 like in a couple hours when you're YOLO in those AMC calls in the midst of that short squeeze. I was watching that live. You feel me? Look, Tesla gapped up and then proceeded to fade. I mean, that's like that setup too, bro. Look, all large caps are basically gonna do the same thing for the most part. I mean, Tesla's an exception, but it will participate with the rest of the market sometimes. Look at that. Gap up, topping out. At that point, you know it's all right to fade that thing. And look, all the way backside. So we're talking 273 down to 265, and we're coming down still. Oh, the market seems to be dumping here, or Tesla is. Apple's near the highs. Wow, for once. Is Apple finally participating? That's why the Nasdaq. That's why the Qs and everything are freaking bullish, because Apple's now participating. It's like it was on timeout or something. I mean, which is good if you're fading. Nice little uptrend there on Apple, going up to what? Is that a new 52-week high, all time high? Oh, dude, if Apple hits that, them Nasdaq freaking puts or shorts, bro, like you're gonna get killed. Look, Apple is at the top of the range. Look at this. Might be a fading opportunity. 194 puts, maybe. Cause look, as you come over here and look at the S triple Q and SOX, look, it's starting to come alive here. Support down at about 1730s on the S triple Q. I need to figure out what my hotkey is. And then look, we pushed up. Clearly resistance at 1750s. You could see it. Pulled back to a higher low. And now we put in consecutive higher lows while crossing over the 9 EMA and the 120 and looking to push up. So that is bearish for the stock market. You feel me? And then you have SOX down here bouncing off this triple bottom now. You know about the power of threes, right? 1, 2, 3. Rip. So that's gonna make that is looking good for the Bears right now. As long as they can continue to trend up. You should see some fading. Look at that George W right there. Palantir still doing some of the same. Trying to reject off of VWAP. AI pushed up to 41 again. Dude, the resilience of this play AI, bro, is unbelievable. I don't think I've quite seen anything like it. Look, you even got AMD double topping up here, looking like they're setting up for the fade. Look, S triple Q. I'm sorry, Sox S and the S triple Q. Continuing to try to run to the upside here. This is Apple. Let's check out the spot. Oh, look at that. I'm telling you, optimal spot to fade from right up here, especially when you see us topping out. And it's a double top almost. You feel me? Bam. And look, we cracked that support and we're going to the downside. Let's see what these contracts are looking like. 1 day out. So like on the SPY, the 455s, 455 puts are about $1.50. What do you think about those? I think I'm liking them. I think I'm liking them. 455 puts. They went down in value a little bit. Hold on. I need a little bit more data. I need a little bit more data. I need to make sure we're not about to cross back over 456 first. It doesn't look like it. Look at that wick. What is it? The 455 puts? Look how they're grinding up, going in value. $4.55 puts. Oh Lord, look, I'm missing the move. And $4.55 puts. $4.55 puts. They're still the same price, damn near. Look, but it looks like we're trying to bounce. It might be a fake out. I don't really think so though. Did I get filled? Fill me. Fill me. Fill me. Look, I'm missing the move, bro. Why didn't I get filled? What am I trying to get filled at? 148. Why? Fill me on the damn ask.
Order filled.
Thank you. My God. Upscale it in. And I'm not taking no huge size because I haven't been in the markets to fill, you know what I'm saying, to fill out the price. But look at this. S&P 500 cracked that double bottom, heading to the downside. The Russell Index wicking, trying to go to the downside. That was looking like a liquidity grab almost. Because look, this wick's longer on this side. But I don't know. That's a lot of momentum coming down. Nah, I feel like we continue to fade, but I am ready to stop out. Oh Lord, I think I just got smoked. Look, they came out and liquidity grabbed me. Ooh, nah, I think it's a fake out. I think it's a fake out. But I will stop out if we break back above this level right here, 456. Look, rejecting off the 9 EMA. This is what I'm scared of, though. This shit looking a little scary right here, but look, we're wicking to the downside. See, look. We wick to the upside, and now we're wicking to the downside. Usually when I see that type of price action, we're going to continue to we're going to have continuation to the downside. When I see that type of price action, it's insinuation of continuation. But right now, it's worrisome for me, to say the least. But look, Meta Kraken. All right, Kraken VWAP. You feel me? Nvidia Kraken. I forgot this level right here that we're holding as support and a higher low. We're cracking. Right underneath that is VWAP. If Nvidia can crack VWAP as well, I will feel a lot better about the position. I mean, tech is definitely participating right now in this downtrend. The SPY though is acting a little bit more stubborn here, and now it's looking more like a liquidity grab. It's looking like a liquidity grab. Oh Lord, oh Lord, they got me. They got me. I'll give it a little bit more time to work. We still have 30 minutes left. Obviously, I didn't get 0 DTEs. So, I mean, that's always a plus. I mean, you can't grab 0 DTEs like when we're this close to market close, dude. There's no intrinsic value left in them. And then the theta decay is like horrendous. But look, I mean, I'm down obviously right now. Oh, God, we must be freaking ripping to the upside. Look, I bought here. The contracts already went down 10 cents, 12 cents. So $12 per contract. You feel me? Look, they faked me out. But let's give it more time to work. We still have the 10 minutes of terror coming up. But don't get it twisted. You can get the inverse 10 minutes of terror as well, where we just rip to the upside. Look, the Qs, what we came down here and double bottomed. You feel me? And oh shit, I should have did a little bit more research, huh? I would have seen that triple bottom action with the consolidation. You feel me? Look right here. We came down here and consolidated, ran up, came down, bounced off this, came down, bounced again. So that's like a quad bottom. Because I mean, you got one right here too. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. So a quad bottom with the consolidation mixed in there. I mean, if I would have took a little bit more time and actually seen that, I probably wouldn't have taken that trade. But either way, we've been bullish for most of the day, right? Everyone's bought in at this point. So this would be the exact time where they freaking pull the rug and we dump. You know what I'm saying? I would think. I mean, we'd have to break down 456 again for that to be true. We're cracking 456. The only problem I foresee is we got this 9 EMA under here. But look, a new candle has opened below 456. We bounced off the 9 EMA back right above it. VWAP slanted down to accommodate it and its bullishness. Now, when you get that VWAP slant and we're like above VWAP and kind of bouncing or looking bullish or catching a bid, I mean, you know what I mean? You can see continuation to the upside as well. The VWAP slant isn't always bearish. But look at that wick. Wicking, cracking that level, 456.02. All right, it's really 456. I mean, it's really 456.02. But just, you know, to keep it simple and at a psychological level, we'll move it down to 456. But when When I just found that level, I went over, I got it from like the 15-minute or the 10-minute. And it was really looking, I don't know where I got that level from. 456. All right. You know, this is looking a little dangerous for me. You feel me? Because we ripped. Let's see, look at how much volume on this. All right. 250,000 shares on this. We freaking popped past that freaking major level 456, got up to the 120, and then rejected and started putting in a bearish pattern consisting of lower lows and lower highs. So moderation, I mean, that's what you want to see. You don't want to see us going straight up or straight down in any direction, no matter what your bias is. So like this rip right here, straight to the upside, you know what I mean? I believe more in this gradual moderation stepping down than I do in that. You know what I'm saying? Because it's more sustainable. That isn't. But 250,000 shares traded there, 160,000 there. All right, 100,000 there, 153,000 there, almost 300,000 there. All right, and then 60,000 so far on this candle. So all of that equals way more than 250,000 shares. So, I mean, you know what I mean? If you add up the volume, I feel like this selling right here negates this, especially when we're coming up and rejecting off the 120. VWAP slant as we're fading and downtrending, but the only problem why it didn't work so good there is because we're bouncing. Look, reject off this 9 right here, and we will get some fade. Reject off this 9 right here, and we will get some fade. I mean, we're already under this major psychological level, 456 flat. Let's see what everything else is doing. Apple, I mean, I'm not trading Apple right now, so I'd rather watch it like on a slightly higher time frame. Not trading Tesla right now, so God, man, Tesla was the fade of the day, huh? Wow. Hey, them Tesla trizzies be expensive though. All right, so look, coming back up to test this 195.37. I've seen some violence. Just whoa. Look at Meta, dude. That thing just ripped up like that. On what kind of volume? Low ass volume. This is this is looking quite bullish for Meta right now. Not gonna lie, bro. Wait. When do they release earnings? Is it Meta? I know Snap has earnings. I gotta find that earnings whisper chart. But look, Meta is trying its best to hold VWAP. They keep trying to buy the dip off of VWAP and run it up, but it looks like it keeps failing. At the same time, you have Nvidia trending down and failing, about to more than likely crack VWAP. So this could just be an outlier. And then look, the Russell has broken down past that higher low intraday support, the 195.37. All right, it's acting as resistance again. So that you know what I mean, that jives with my my play. Dude, Meta's doing its own thing right now. I guess it's earnings related or something. But look, S&P 500 coming down to test this level again. So power of threes here. Look, 1, 2, 3, crack. 1, 2, 3, crack. I mean, but we could. I mean, watch out now, because look, they did the same thing here, and it was a liquidity grab type pattern. So I mean, in order for me to believe it, I want to see us come down here and break down past that. Like those two like those two wicks. And then I mean, then you have support right here at 45.69. This is on the SPX, S&P 500, the big dog. But the SPY, I mean, is going to do the same thing. You know what I mean? So look, this is critical. Got the triple bottom here. I mean, really, it's a quad. We're cracking it. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, crack. Look, we've cracked below all that and just gap down, dude. There's a gap there. Oh, okay. I thought we gapped down for a second. Oh, it's looking like it could be a liquidity grab. That's what they look like. We dump and then we wick. Remember what I said? The wick on the right wicks down and then we bounce. You feel me? But I feel like we got too much momentum to the downside now for that. You know what I'm saying? But let's see. Dude, that's a liquidity grab, but it could be a fake out one. Because I feel like at this point, enough people are onto it, so they may try to switch it up. Doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like it. I might have to stop out. Might have to stop out. Everything's bouncing. Look. Except for Meta. Meta's looking like it wants to reject. Look, just as I say it, it rejects the 9 EMA and cracks VWAP. Look. Cracking. And then you got NVIDIA dumped hard, it's trying to bounce, but look, they're selling into everything. As you can see, this wick here, look. Wick. That means anytime this thing tried to bounce up, they sold into it. Now look at the S&P 500. Wicking to the downside off the 9 EMA in my short term, which is a 10-day simple moving average. We're already under the 120. So, I mean, bearish in the short term. Look, the Russell continues to fade and put in lower lows and lower highs. This thing right here, looking like it wants to dump. All right. Look at this wick right here. Look at this fade. And you're seeing wicks all up here. There's sellers all along the way. Then when we came down here and they tried the liquidity grab, we did bounce up, but they immediately sold into it. And we wicked to the downside off the 9 EMA. And then right now it's pivotal. Because we broke down this level that was support, but there's also this other level under here where we wicked back up earlier. You feel me? On some liquidity grab type ish. You feel me? So this is critical. Like which way the market goes right here is critical. And 10 minutes of terror. Right here coming up, and we got 1 minute. The market, oh God, look, we're trying to bounce. Should I move out the way so we can see Apple? No, I'm just gonna leave it. All right, 10 minutes of terror. Look, wicking to the downside off the 9 EMA on both the Qs and the SPY. We have Apple wicking to the downside off the 9 EMA as well. Tesla fading, getting closer to the lows. All right. We got about 25 seconds left until 350. And I mean, this could go either way. And that's not a good risk to reward ratio. 50-50 chance, that's 1-to-1. That's not good. Here it comes. Here it comes. All right, all right, all right. We got some movement to the downside. Look, they tried to buy it. I mean, they tried to sell it. They tried to sell it. Look, buyers came in and bought it, wicked it up. But will it be enough? I don't think so. The Qs are trying to hold this level of support. Let's see what we got on the SPY. What level are we trying to hold right here? I mean, 455 60s or 455 60 or 59. So, how many? All right, about 300,000 shares. About 500,000 shares now. They're dumping on it. Oh, no. Okay. That was a nice little dump. We need continuation. And these wicks are insinuation of continuation. You seen that VWAP slant as we're already bearish and looking and fading? You feel me? That lets me know that we could have continuation to the downside. You feel me? They're dumping on it. They're trying. They're trying. 350,000 shares here. About 125,000 here. Look at the S&P 500. All right. Look, the Russell is about to go backside here, but we might bounce here. Look at Meta. Look at Meta. Decent rejection off the 120, bro. Oh, man, that would have been a nice little trade right there. NVIDIA faded, then tried to run up, and now it's fading again. Look, Meta's coming down. Decent. So is NVIDIA. All right. And look, this thing is about to crack this level, this lower level. It tried. It tried. But see, look, the Russell came down here to previous close and bounced. And they stopped it. And now we're ripping back up to the upside. Damn. I should have freaking took profits instead of running my mouth. You feel me? Damn it. Ooh, my shit was in the money. Decent. Now we're freaking ripping, bro. But let's see. We got 8 minutes left. Look, they're still trying to sell into it. They're trying to sell into it. Dude, I missed it right here. Like, right at 350. That was the move. That was the move, bro. That was the move. Oh, VWAP slant. But see, when we're bullish and you get the slant, we barely get any continuation to the downside. Look, trying to be propped up by the 9 EMA right now. Damn, bro. Like, right there, that was the move. My shit was in the money, bro. Ugh. Now it's going against me. And we don't have time left. Fuck, I missed my exit. That sucks. That sucks. I missed it because I was like trying to do some analysis real quick. Try to like, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Like try to explain what I see going on. And now look, we got 5 minutes to market close. So hopefully we start washing out right here. Doesn't look like it. Not with this wick on the bottom here, wicking to the upside off the 9 EMA. And there was a wick here. But see? Damn it. Like, dude, again, like the trade was decent. The idea, the plan, the theory, all that was decent, but I just didn't execute where I was supposed to. You feel me? But look, we're starting to come down again. All right, here comes the real dump because now, well, It depends. If the Russell can actually go backside and stay backside, then you'll see the real dump. And see, we're coming back down. Look, VWAP slanting on the SPY, decent. I couldn't switch over in time. See, the Russell, this Russell index, it needs to go backside and stay backside for us to see some continuation. It looks like it wants to. Look, it's wicking to the downside off previous close. Look at the S&P 500 now. Okay. Oh, now they're deeper in the money than right here. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and take profits here. Why wouldn't I? Or should I see how far we can fade? I just don't want to be liquidity grabbed. But we're coming down to crack VWAP. So VWAP's my price target. VWAP's my price target. Come on. Dump. Look. Again, bro. This thing right here. It needs to go backside. It's bouncing again. Look, you can see the correlation. But this isn't a liquidity grab because the candles are on the wrong side. Now, if the longer wick was on the right, it would be a liquidity grab. You feel me? Go back and look at all the liquidity grabs and you'll see what I'm talking about. And look, now we're cracking VWAP. Ooh, I'm gonna take profits, bro. Because like honestly, I wasn't even gonna trade, dog. But I was just trying to just jump in for something really quick and to see if I can catch that 10 minutes of terror. See, honestly, I should have took profits here. You feel me? But it was looking like we were gonna break down VWAP. And VWAP slant as we're fading. That's insinuation of continuation. Insinuation of continuation. I don't like that. Turning green. I don't like that. I'm gonna take profits. God damn. Why can't I take profits when I'm supposed to? Huh? How much time we got left? We got 3 minutes left. See, around this time, I don't know who that is. See, around this time, then they'll start, you know what I mean? The dump will come in and then they'll start trending it back up. But I don't know. It's Doja candle after this fade. So there's sellers here and there's buyers here. Who will prevail? The sellers or the buyers? It's looking like buyers. It's looking like buyers. Well, I don't know. We see when the VWAP slant comes in and we're above it, it doesn't really mean as much. Look, this thing needs to go backside, but Meta recovered decent. Go backside. Oh, look at that wick. Now, that's insinuation of continuation. But we're running out of time here. I'm going to go ahead and lock in profits. How much time we got left? We got 1 minute left. I want to see a freaking dump real quick, a washout. I'm getting the opposite. And look, you can now see the SQQQ and SOXS, how they're trending up, but rejecting off of VWAP. That's why we dumped, but now we're bouncing. All right, look, there's less than a minute left. Ooh, look at that. Come on down, baby. Come on, man, crack this VWAP. We got 40 seconds left. 40 seconds left. Crack VWAP. Crack it. Look, they're dumping on it. 625,000 shares. 625,000 shares. Come on, that should get us below VWAP. Oh, we got less than 30 seconds left. Less than 30 seconds left. Come on, crack it. There you go. A little bit more. 10 seconds left. There we go. Take profits.
Order filled.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. You feel me? Just a quick little scalp real quick. Like, damn, how many of those opened up? Bro, I think I did it again, bro. I think I got uh quadruple filled or something, bro. Didn't want that many contracts. Did not want that many contracts. Look at Apple, dude. Oof. Look at that wick. Oh my god, this was the fade. Either Apple or Tesla, bro. Motherfuckers could have got rich today off of these fades. Look at that. Damn. And then when you see this long ass wick right here, let's see what it looks like on a 1 minute. Oof. Earnings about to come out. Like, I'm definitely not trying to have any plays freaking open when all this crazy freaking oh look, dumping more. Ooh. Damn. I should have swung, huh? I should have stayed in, huh? Huh? Damn, son. Let you know, bro. I had the right idea, a good plan. You know what I'm saying? Look, we're coming down now. Damn, I should have kept on the swing overnight, bro. I had the 456s. We're trading sub 455. We're trading in the 455s now. About to be sub 455. And the Qs are coming down hard, bro. Look at Apple dumping. It's earnings. What's the ticker symbol for Snapchat? Is it Snap? When are they releasing these earnings? They were buying a rumor going into the close. Sold off with the rest of the market. I don't know what to make of this long ass wick. I mean, it looks bearish, but it's looking like this thing wants to bounce. Oh no, look at that. Wick. I don't know. It's looking like it wants to bounce. I don't know though. Oof. I mean, Snapchat has missed on earnings for a year straight. For 4 straight quarters, they've missed by huge margins. Might I add? Look at the Qs. The Qs are bouncing. Look, now we're bouncing. Ooh, man. All right, I'm happy with that execution. You feel me? Look, I faded from here. You feel me? And got out here right at market close, right before market close, and then look what happened. They wicked it all the way to the downside here, acting like we're gonna dump, and then we freaking ripped all the way up here. Now we continue to trend higher. I mean, you feel me? Let's just jump in real quick, bro, and like try to extract a little capital out of the markets, bro. I'm not trying to hit home runs. I'm not trying to get rich overnight. You know what I mean? Yeah. Slow and steady wins the race. You feel me? Slow and steady wins the race. All right? No, you know what I mean? And if you're taking, it's all about base hits, bro. And again, slow and it's a marathon. It's not a sprint. You feel me? Therefore, like if you're taking this seriously, bro, you shouldn't be YOLOing anything, bro. Like if you're really taking this serious, you should not be YOLOing. Not with the, you know what I'm saying, size. You feel me? Not with the significant portion of your account value. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just saying. But damn, what? Seeing how I was able to just slide in real quick, grab me some trizzies and fade them. That execution was flawless. except for the entry. The entry wasn't flawless. I still got filled, but my exit was flawless. And I'm lucky it went in my direction because like that shit did the same thing again where I got like double or triple filled. It's like on this platform, like on the order entry uh window, like if you double click it or something, like when you click submit, if you double click it and hit submit and then transmit, it'll double or triple fill you depending on how many times you click it, which is crazy. You gotta be mindful of that. Look, Apple fading again, bro. The fade of the day. Hey, I'm about to come out with a new segment, dog. It's called the fade of the day. You feel me? And it's looking like Apple is you feel me? Up there. It's between Apple and Tesla. You know what I mean? The fade of the day. I'm gonna have to say Tesla. We gapped up, and this was seemed a little more obvious. We gapped up straight into resistance and couldn't break above it, no matter what, in any meaningful way. And then we just started fading and trending down, bounced, and then bounced, higher lows, got back here. Notice where we ran into resistance at. Look, let's go to the 10-minute. Notice where we ran into resistance at. As we were dumping and then it was looking like we were gonna recover. Where did we hit resistance at? Look, where we were topping out here yesterday. Actually, yeah, yesterday. Then we trended up after hours and then chopped around it pre-market. You feel me? So then we're fading. We come up here, 269.70. Come up here and reject and fade again. You feel me? So I'm gonna have to say Tesla was the fade of the day. I mean, I'm talking specifically about large caps. You know what I mean? Like anything can happen in small caps and penny stocks. You know what I'm saying? Like those low float. Like Tesla on the low here, bruh. Why am I getting all these notifications? NASDAQ leads gains. Dow notches 12th straight winning day. Bro, like the market's freaking bullish, bro, but like I'm just a little bit weary of it. I'm a little bit weary of it, bro. Especially when it's coming from mainstream media. Know what I mean? But I mean, you can't deny that we've been bullish. Look at that. But yeah, dude. Jumped in there and extracted a little capital real quick, which is my goal. You feel me? And again, dude, if you guys if you want to gain an extra edge in the markets, go ahead and grab my watch list. It's free right now. You get it in my Discord. And I mean, if you're interested in learning my strategy right now, which has actually been working, it's repeatable. It's been working for all year. But even last year when we were bearish as hell, it was working. You know what I'm saying? The strategy isn't just for bull markets. You know what I mean? This is for the strategy I'm using right now is for all markets. All right, doesn't matter if we're in a bull market, a bear market, or whatever. You feel me? So that's another benefit you get from jumping on the watch list and jumping in the Discord. You feel me? How are you? I mean, I do it. Like, I'm trying. Like, uh, I don't want to be on the corporate plantation forever. Look at Meta. Holy shit! Look at this thing. Look at this thing. So I guess earnings was good. Oh my god, dude. Ooh, and you were short, and you were fading Meta, short in Meta, and the Nasdaq. Oh my god, bro. Go in the shower and cry, bro. Seriously, man. I feel your pain though, bro. Like, no, it's not funny, bro. I'm not talking shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know what it feels like. Trust me. I, I mean, anyone that's spent any amount of time in the markets could relate. You feel me? Get rid of all these levels. Looking too messy. Look, let's keep our eye on Meta. Actually, let's go like this. Let's watch Meta over here. So Meta had earnings. What else had earnings? Snap. Oh, there goes your earnings on Snap. Ooh. I mean, bro, it was obvious. Like Snapchat has missed on their earnings for a year straight, for 4 straight quarters, and it has been getting progressively worse. So I mean, this was cookie cutter. All you had to do is grab some puts, dude, and like just wait for that earnings to come out. Cookie cutter, bro. Cookie cutter. And again, like if you would have had the watch list, my guy, you would have knew about that, bruh. You would have knew about it. Could have been taking advantage of this. And it's free. Like, oh my god, dude. Yeah. Obviously, Meta crushed earnings, I guess. What was I saying? Meta to the 300 by when? We got there faster than that. We actually broke way above 300. Got all as high as 318. So I've been right on that. But what you have to take into consideration is I've been saying that for months before we entered this bull market. You feel me? Yeah, actually, ever since they beat on earnings last time, knew it was going to start trending up. And I mean, that ain't saying nothing because it's obvious, but sometimes you just, you know, need some validation or, I mean, you need to hear other people, um, you know, see if they're thinking the same way as you. You know what I'm saying? Shit like that. Feel me? Yeah, Lisa. Hey, you seen how I jumped in there and extracted a little capital out the markets real quick? Seen that? I'm saying real quick. In like what, 30 minutes? 20 minutes? You feel me? 30, 20 minutes? No, I got on right at the beginning of Power Hour. So an hour. But I didn't take my trade until like 15 minutes before market close. Anticipating that that 10 minutes of terror. And look, I took advantage of it this time. All right, Snap. What else? Oh, Meta. Oof. What happened to Snapchat, bro? They need some new leadership. Snapchat needs new leadership. Obviously, their CEO. Oh, Alphabet. Oh, Google has earnings. Holy shit! Forgot about that. Oh, oof, bro. Them Nasdaq puts are out of there, dude. Bruh, you gotta be crazy, bro, to be shorting the freaking the Qs and the Nasdaq, bro, and still be in that position when you got Meta and Google uh about to have earnings and everything's bullish and we got this AI craze. Bro, you got to be out of your mind. You're off your rocker, bro. Look at this, dude. You're off your rocker, bro. Off your rocker, bro. Off your goddamn rocker, bro. Straight up. I don't know. Like, I don't know why you would YOLO. Like, especially, especially with your, when you have uh the considerable time in the markets, you feel me? And you, for the most part, know what you're talking about. Like, you know the mechanics of the market and all that. So yeah, just like you said, it comes down to a discipline thing, bro. But hey, I mean, bro, even if the FOMC shit comes in hot or whatever, or they hike, you feel me? Like, I mean, dude, I feel like that's not gonna be enough. That's not gonna be enough to get the Nasdaq back down to those levels. You know what I'm saying? Not when Google just ripped like that and Meta just ripped like that, crushed earnings. You know what I'm saying? Like the Qs are freaking. Now what we have to wait on is Apple, because if Apple freaking crushes on earnings, like, bro, the Qs are gonna rip, because the Qs have been kind of like holding the market back. I feel Microsoft. All right, let's read this. Oh shit, Microsoft had earnings too. See all these earning plays. All right, looks like Microsoft didn't fare too well. Looks like Microsoft missed. Who knows? They probably could have beat. Just because you beat on earnings, like, you could still dump. I've seen it. Like, these are your major earnings plays here, bro. You got Google obviously beat and freaking just gapped up $10. Meta obviously beat and freaking gapped up to 301. Snapchat obviously missed and dumped from I mean, what, 1330s to $10. That would have been a nice swing right there. And Meta obviously beat. Microsoft missed. Who knows? I don't know if Microsoft missed or not. I was about to read that actually. Let's see. Microsoft fiscal year 2023 Q4 EPS uh $2 and 69 versus the 255 estimate. So they actually beat sales 56.2 billion versus 55.5 billion. They beat. So Microsoft actually beat on earnings. So can someone please explain this to me? How can a company beat and dump like that? That lets you know like that was people buying the rumor. They sold the news, and now they're gonna buy the dip, and this thing's gonna keep trending to the upside because they beat. Look, look, it already reclaimed red to green, and it's starting to trend up. So that was just some I don't know, big dogs, whales and hedge funds, or you know what I'm saying, like getting off. But yeah, those are your major earnings plays, I think. I mean, I'm pretty sure there's a few more. Like, how would I go to? Let me see something. Earnings whisper. Where's the actual earnings chart up? Earnings chart. Tuesday the 25th. Where's the visual chart? Microsoft surprise 5.9%. Uh they beat estimates $2.54. I mean 2.54 billion. They reported 2.69 billion. Or no. I don't know. They beat though. 55 billion estimate. They beat on that. They had 56 and change. Google beat. Looks like Snapchat. Um, I mean, still negative in earnings, but better than before. I meant better than what was expected. Instead of you feel me? 0.04. It came in at 0.02. You know what I mean? Visa. Oh, Visa's another one that looked like it beat. Yeah, look. Uh, the estimates were $2.11. Came in at $2.16. Revenue 8 billion. 8.06 billion. Came in at 8.12. Teledoc. Wait, hold on. Yeah, the lower the number, right? Yeah. I guess Teledoc uh didn't beat, but it beat the estimate. Texas Instruments 176, which was expected. 187 came in. Earnings, revenue 4.37 billion. Came in at 4.5 billion. Texas Instruments beat in a nice way. I mean, those are all the major ones. You feel me? Like, how do you get How do you get that chart? What was this? Is that something you have to pay for? Probably have to pay for earnings whispers. What about Finviz? Let's see what Finviz is looking like. Wow, tech was like bullish as hell today. Uh, Especially semiconductors. What did I say? Uh, AMD is gonna catch some sympathy. Should you know what I mean? Catch some of that sympathy play off of Nvidia. Semiconductors are bullish as hell. Apple finally doing something. Microsoft, the tech is obviously leading the way. Looks like financials went red on the day here. S&P Global, good. Amazon up, Google, Visa, you feel me? Verizon. I grabbed me, like I said, I grabbed me some Verizon when it was like on the low, the recent low, but not to trade it, just for dividends. Because I mean, it makes sense. Verizon is like on the low and found support and is starting to trend up. I mean, that's the best time to get in, and it's also a dividend play. So, I mean, I feel like it can only go up. We bottomed out. Healthcare, energy is another one that's been popping. Look, Chevron, Exxon, Phillips, Oxy. Does Warren Buffett still own all that? Oxy, like half the company or something? Yeah. This isn't what I'm looking for though. Top gainers: INPX, uh, ELBM, BFRG, Bullfrog. I heard um Ryan talking about that on Benzinga earlier. Bullfrog. That was a nice call, Ryan. Upstart. Yo, up Upstart's been ripping. See, I don't want to type it in because I'm gonna hit a freaking trading for Pack W has been halted. Oh, what's going on with Pack W? Where's my Pack W? All right, I'll just type it in. How can it be halted now? Are they really trading it that much right now? Or is that just like some some late? I want to check out. Oh, Upstart. Look at Upstart, dude. Look at this thing, bro. And remember Upstart, where it was able to run to. Look, we all knew it was like extended and overvalued, gone all the way up to 400, and now we've been trending up. I like Upstart at these prices. We gotta wait for a pullback though. Feel me? Wait for that pullback. Google, look, Microsoft's recovering. Yeah, that was some that was the big dogs getting off real quick. Obviously. Look at this. Who was talking about Snapchat earlier? I was watching someone stream. Oh, Josh. Josh. Talking about Snapchat. He called it to a T too. He said that's where I got that information from. He said, and he pulled up the paperwork. He said Snapchat has missed on earnings for a year straight, every quarter, going down. I'm missing by more and more every quarter. In the last quarter, their like revenue was down 39%. So I mean, this was a no-brainer right here. I forgot about it. But yeah, that's what we got for earnings. The Russell looking like it's trying to trend up a little bit here. Nvidia trying to come back. We already know what the deal is with Meta. Palantir grinding on up. When does Palantir have earnings? Looks like the Bitcoin. It makes sense. Bitcoin broke down 30K. So that's why you see Mara fading. AMC still above $5. Amazon looking decent. 129.25. It recovered. Baba faded. Look, this is what I'm talking about Baba. Look. As you can see, like when it starts getting close to $100, like when it gets to like 90 and above, you start seeing moves like this on Baba. Ripping, gapping up, fading. You know what I'm saying? And this is huge range we're talking about here. Look, down at support at about 91.50s. You know how some charts it looks like it moved a lot, but it really didn't. Like Baba isn't one of those. Like this is real range here. Look, 91 to 97, gapping up to 98, 50s, fading back down to 95. I don't even know where I got that level from, but obviously it's valid because look, we dumped right to that, held it as support, and been consolidating on it. That level's been there for a long time. Still valid. But yeah, but I'm telling you, it just watch, just pay attention to Baba. Like when it's around this range here. You know what I'm saying? All right, well, what was the other earnings play? Microsoft, Meta, Snap, and Google. Oh, my bad. Oh, God. Was I not even on the right chart? All right, let's go over that again. Look, this is what I'm talking about. When Baba starts getting up close to 100, like over 90, it starts like moving, giving you a lot of range to trade off of. And it's kind of easy to trade because it follows the overall large caps, like the market. You know what I mean? But the range is unbelievable on this thing. And now look at this. Hold on. Let me fix this real quick. Google 5 minute. Look at this. We're bullish. Let's see what this thing looks like now. Apple decent. Don't even AMC down. I feel like I got too much stuff on my watch list. All right. Apple. That's what we got. AMC. That's what we got. So down almost 12%. Now 12%. Trading at about 5.14 right now. AMD up over 2%. At about 113. Amazon up about 0.25%. Boeing down 0.5%, but looking like it wants to trend back up. Big Bear down 2.5%. Bitcoin still below 30K, but looking like it's going in the right direction. Cardlytics up 1%. ChargePoint down 2.5%. Chicken Soup for the Soul flat. Carvana gave back some today, down about 3.5%. Ethereum up about 0.5%, trending in the right direction, about 1,860. GameStop down about 0.75%. Google now up 7.5%. Ripping. Heron Therapeutics. Up 1.5% almost. JP Morgan Chase down 0.5%. KOLD Pro Shells Ultra Short Bloomberg down 3%. Meta up 2% right now. It was up a lot more. Myrna down almost 1%. Microsoft up almost 1%, but looks like it's going to keep trending up. Netflix basically flat on the day. Neo up almost 2%. Novavax up almost 0.5%. Nvidia up 2.5%. PNC Bank 1.5%. Snapchat down 20%. Man, that was it right there. Oh shit, I was on the wrong chart again. That was it right there. Fuck, I gotta stop doing that. Look, here's the charts. Boeing, Baba, Big Bear, Bitcoin, Cartalytics, Chicken Soup for the Soul, Carvana, Ethereum, GameStop, Google, and so on and so forth. You feel me? But Snapchat down 19% and still fading. Oh my god, bro. Damn, I should have grabbed some puts on that thing, bro. And I knew about it. Micron barely up. It looks like it was up higher, but started fading. What about Lucid? Down 3.5%. What about SoFi? Down almost 1%. Still above $9 though. But I would have liked it to stay above 950. You feel me? But yeah, dude. That's where we're at. Where's Palantir at? Can't find my Palantir. We can always type it in. I mean, I have it over here. All right. I mean, Palantir is decent. Like, but if that thing uh broke down 16, I was gonna get out of it and let it rinse and repeat, or rinse and repeat it. It's still trending up. Again, my price target on Palantir is 20. Oh shit, I forgot. At the critical threshold. Yeah, but that's what we have. You feel me? That's what we got. That's what we got. That's what we got, bruh. But yeah, man, go ahead and jump on that watch list and jump in the Discord, bro. You feel me? If you're interested in the strategy that I'm employing right now and how it's I've had what is it? Just from intraday day trading, uh 6 out of my last 7 weeks have been green weeks. All right? And it's not just because the market's been bullish. Because I like half the time I don't even buy the dip. I fade. You know what I'm saying? So that's the type of strategy you should be interested in. One that you could use in any market condition. All right? And I got you. You feel me? Jump in the Discord, get the watch list. Ask me any questions you want, bro. You feel me? But yeah, man, just thought I'd jump in for a power hour, show a little show a little face, try to add hold up. Hold up. Yeah. Like I said, man, uh just wanted to jump on for power hour, show a little face, try to add a little value to the channel or various channels, platforms, etc. And more importantly, extract a little capital out of the markets. You feel me? Just a little bit. You feel me? Again, it's not about home runs. So look, on that, okay, I jumped on at the beginning of Power Hour at 3 o'clock. Yeah, I didn't. I took one trade. All right, like 20 to 15 minutes before market close. So I mean, if you're counting from when I first got on, that's 1 hour. If you're counting the time from when I took my trade, that's 15 minutes. And within that time, you know, like I was able to make more money than I would have going to work and working for 8 hours. All right. So, and, and it didn't involve any uh, physical labor or, you know what I mean? Any craziness like that. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, that's the goal, bro. Get off the corporate plantation, bro, and be self-made. That's what I'm trying to offer you here, bro. So I mean, take that into consideration as you have to wake up early and fucking go clock in, fucking take orders from some idiot. It's probably not as smart as you. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, anyways, it's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. If you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid of the like button or even subscribe or follow. All the stuff that the algo loves. You feel me? Um, Again, if you want the watch list, you know what to do. Other than that, hopefully you were able to extract some capital from the markets today, even if it was just a little bit, even if it was $100, even if it was $50. You know what I'm saying? You have to start somewhere. But guess what? Even if it was $100, it's $100 that you made. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I mean? Self-made. That's what you want, right? You want to be self-made and self-paid. Right? All right. But like I was saying, hopefully you were able to extract a little capital from the markets, and if you weren't, hopefully you were able to keep your loser small. Um, and that's it. You feel me? Keep your loser small at all costs. Uh, Employ a decent risk to reward ratio. You feel me? Like 3 to 1 is optimal. It shouldn't be 1 to 1, or you know what I mean? Like 1.5 to 1 or anything. You should be risking $1 to make 3. If you do that, respect your risk and keep your loser small, you will be profitable after a while if you aren't already. You feel me? You have to put in the work. Uh Wells Fargo new $30 billion buyback. Yes, you read that right. Dennis Dick, Triple D trader. I followed Triple D now. Bottom line, sometimes media is guessing why a stock is down when in reality there may be no fundamental reason. Okay. Wells Fargo $30 billion buyback? I don't know. That sounds bullish for the stock. But yeah, I'll let your boy. Peace.